ilusión. Presión ninguna.
See? Pressure we don't have any of, excitement we do have lots of.
Yo creo que somos un equipo que tenemos muchas ganas de conseguir éxitos.
We're a team that has a lot of excitement about trying to get results.
Venimos de una temporada muy difícil, que es la temporada anterior, donde el equipo quedó último.
And we're coming from a season last year where we finished last, which was a very difficult season for everyone.
Creo que hemos recuperado la ilusión de mucha gente con el fútbol y los resultados que hemos conseguido en el inicio de esta temporada.
I think we've recovered the confidence and faith of the supporters with the style of football and the results that we've got so far.
Para mí como entrenador tenemos que conseguir estar entre los 4 primeros.
For me as a coach, we need to be in the top 4.
Pero siempre desde la ilusión, nunca desde la presión.
But always from a point of view of excitement and not that of pressure.
Creo que otros equipos tienen más presión que nosotros por estar entre los 4 primeros.
I think there's other teams who have more pressure than us to be in the top 4.
Y nosotros, vuelvo a repetir, si llegamos a conseguir estar entre los 4 primeros será por ilusión y no por presión.
And I'm going to repeat, if we make it to the top 4, it will be out of pure excitement within the team rather than pressure.
Sounds like it's going to be a good contest, test of maybe our defence against what I would say so far in the first 8-9 games of this season has been the most fluid attacking unit. They score goals freely as they've shown against a number of sides, but it's our challenge to try and stifle that threat and obviously do our best to hurt them as well. We certainly haven't come here just to defend and try and keep the opposition out. We want to play a full part in this game, and that obviously means not only doing our jobs defensively but also trying to expose any weaknesses they might have at the back. So I hope it's a good game for everyone who comes to watch. That's what we're here for. We want to play the best. We want to try and prove ourselves against the best and pick up points against the best.